Fam, there's a plot twist in the Leeroy and Mihlali saga. While speaking with City Press, Mihlali says she has voice recordings of Leeroy abusing her, and she denies Leeroy's allegations of her abusing him instead.
Let me tell you what we also learned. We learned that she's also used to like doing this and breaking stuff at Leeroy's office, because obviously she stealth Leeroy from MJ, so there will always be that insecurity. Is she probably not also like beating Leeroy some other days and all of that stuff? Because how dare you wanna throw boiling water and wanna throw all of these vases and fucking glasses and things on the floor, and Leeroy's staff is also tired of always cleaning the glasses that Mihlali throws all the time in that fucking office.
She also said that she's been the one enduring emotional and physical abuse for the past 2 years. And during those 2 years, their relationship was on and off. So I wonder why she went back to him, knowing very well he's abusive to her. But hey, what do we know? And the only thing she admitted to were those 78 missed calls, because she's saying that she had proof of his infidelity and basically wanted to confront him. And in her own words, while speaking to City Press, she said, I did call him and he's the one who asked me to go to his house so we can talk. Financially, I don't need his money. Emotionally and physically, yes. He's been abusive. I have voice notes and recordings of Leeroy assaulting me. In his statement, why didn't he say that he assaulted me? And it was not the first time he physically abused me. Verbal abuse has been going on for 2 years, but I'm not going to go back and forth. He knows his truth. So yeah, it is what it is. I wish at this point she can just release those voice recordings she claims to have. Meanwhile, Leeroy's associates have come out here saying they've been advising him to walk away from this relationship with Mihlali to avoid any further humiliation and embarrassment. A source close to Leeroy further continued to say that his marriage to his wife was well intact and it never ever interfered with his business until it was documented in the open through his new relationship with Mihlali. And then since then it has been negative reports and it's not helping his business at all. Imagine being on the media outlets every week for wrong reasons, and then on the other hand you have to chair meetings. It's like he's living in a circus. Let's do take all of this to the comment section and continue this conversation over there. And do remember to like the video, yeah, that like button, the thumb up that you see, click on it thing, yeah, share, subscribe if you're not, and until next time, bye and thank you for watching.